guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming with a little unboxing for you guys for a new fall bag that I picked up. This bag is from a brand that I used to love, and I had so many bags from this brand when I was a teenager and in my early 20s. I ended up selling a lot of that collection because I just wasn't reaching for it, but it is a brand that's becoming very popular again within the last couple of years. And it really deserves it. It is a heritage brand. And it's like a moderate luxury price point. So you can find really great bags, and oftentimes they'll do sales, and the brand is Coach. So again, I haven't bought anything from Coach in years. I'm really looking forward to unboxing this with you guys. But it came in this gorgeous bag. I picked it up at Brickell City Center here in Miami. And what I ended up doing was I ended up doing like the click and collect sort of situation where you order it online, and then after work I went and picked it up in the store. And it comes in this dust bag. Let me just turn it around because the dust bag does say Coach on it. And it's a bag that I was thinking about picking up last year, and the color that I was thinking about getting ended up selling out, and it is the Brooklyn bag. Now this is in the size 28 in the gorgeous brown suede. I don't remember this one last year, so I'm not sure if this one is new to this season. I contemplated getting it in the dark brown color last year, and like I said, it sold out really quickly. But then I was thinking about getting it this year again for fall, saw the suede. I don't have anything in suede, and I just really loved the color on this one. I thought it would look great with a nice, gorgeous like cream sweater, or just something. It's just a very easy fall neutral to work with. And again, I don't have anything in suede, so I thought it would be just something different and unique for my collection. I definitely plan on spraying this down because, like I said, I want to use it for fall, and hopefully I'll travel somewhere to see the leaves this year. I usually plan or try to plan some kind of fall trip because the heat does not let up in October here in Miami. And I thought it would be a really great size just, for traveling as well, because I could fit my Kindle in it, my camera, maybe even like a thin scarf if I just want to pop one in my purse. So I'm going to take off the wrapping here up top. I took all of the wrapping and packaging off of the bag and out from inside of it. Inside of it, it's just one main large compartment. It does have a little snap button closure, so if you want to secure it like that, you can go ahead and pop that closed. There's no zipper or anything like that, so if you have it closed, you do kind of have it open a little like that on the sides. There is a pocket in the interior that would be more secure, and that one also pops open with a little snap button closure. You could definitely fit like a card holder in there, and maybe just like a few little essentials, maybe like your AirPods. You just want them to be secure so they don't fall out of the bag. And then here on the side there is a D-ring, so if you have maybe like a key holder from Louis Vuitton or some kind of like pochette that has a little claw clip, you can attach it there, which I think is a nice feature as well if you want to have, again, another little option of just keeping smaller items more secure in the bag. Then here on the back you have just it's the outside portion of that interior pocket snap closure, and it has Coach on the button there, and then the only other branding you have is here on the front. This says Coach New York. And then on the side here there is a little bag charm with the Coach branding embossed into it, or branded, I guess. Now this bag was really popular last fall. Like I said, the dark brown color sold out really quickly. I would anticipate it selling out again this season. This bag retails for $295 US or 360 Canadian dollars. Again, this is the size 28. There is the larger size, which is the size 39. That one retails for $495.
There's actually a third size. It's the 23, so it's the smallest of the three. This retails for $225, and it features a detachable chain.
Between the two, the 39 is just really, really big. So unless you anticipate carrying a lot of things, maybe you want a bag that you might be able to fit a laptop or something in, you might want to opt for the 39. If you're looking for something that fits a little more than the essentials, maybe an umbrella for fall, your phone, maybe a small water bottle, a scarf. If you are a vlogger like me, you have a camera, your daily planner, things like that, that will all fit inside of the size 28. So of the two, I think the 28 is the better buy, at least personally, and I like the price point a lot more. Compared to all of the other bags that I normally purchase, I feel like that's a great price point, especially for a piece that I feel like I can use for many years to come. I think this is a great fall bag. All right, well that is the end of this video. If you liked it, I hope you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and link the bag down below in the description box, as well as put a QR code here on the screen in case you want to pick it up. Like I said earlier, this bag did sell out in the really popular colors last season. I wouldn't be surprised if the same happened this year, especially in that suede. I think it's a really great option for it this year. I'm also going to link the spray that I'm going to use to protect the suede of my bag down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!